Hey, what's up, Multi-Picture Gaming here again, and we're doing a part 2 of Fireworks Dash. I haven't gotten to fireworks yet, because we are actually going to Indiana in like 10 minutes. We're going to go pick up that guy, and we're going to Phantom Fireworks. Same spot as we did last year. We might stop at a fireworks tent, I'm not exactly sure, but if we do, I'll make sure I record that. I don't know how much money I'm going to have left over. So yeah, we'll be right back in the car. Alright guys, we're officially in Indiana. I've seen 40 crazy Kaplan signs and only 3 Phantom Fireworks. It's pretty sad. We have that guy in the car.
What's up?
And yeah, we're... Fireworks!
Fireworks!
Where Chris Kaplans?
Where? Gotta find it.
It was back there.
Cars, everything.
Where do you want?
Oh my god. Cars. Well, we'll be back at the store. We're at Phantom Fireworks. As you can see, Phantom Fireworks. Phantom Fireworks sign. Car dealership, that guy, and we're gonna go inside and we're gonna ask a couple questions and then we'll start recording, so be right back.
Alright. We're in the store. All the fireworks.
It's a big car.
Wow. Phantom Fireworks. Smudged off, but it's still. Yeah. Sam, I'm looking at. Hey, wasn't that there last year?
Yeah. Alright, so we need Phantom Smiley Face Rocket.
You really can't see that, so I'm gonna stand over here.
Okay. We'll get Phantom Smiley Face Rockets, $20.
You are holding us at.
You know what?
You did this with everything.
Better. There we go, okay.
Alright. Actually, I just want to look at it.
You just want to look at everything? Be like, I feel like if you could, you'd get everything.
Yeah, if this whole store was free, everything would be gone by now, probably.
Oh, if you only could.
If it was.
That's not on your list? Oh, okay. What are these? Oh, these are mini wolf packs.
Just because I want to look at all the assortments and show them off.
Well, if you want to show it off, I mean, I can get a nice zoom in. The Mystic Knight. Ooh, look at all this
You're
stuff.
looking at a smoke assortment?
Yes! You said you wanted the assortments. So I'm gonna get them. Okay. It's heavy. 15 pieces. Did you see that? 15.
Pieces.
I am.
She's
Look
just
at all these artillery shells. Double brakes? Dang. Single, triple brake. 102 brakes total.
It's nice and tall. Nice and tall. Ooh. Look at all this stuff.
We have one magic crystal. Yeah. $100.
Just saying, Sam, you're gonna have to put some music over this.
I will.
Okay.
Magic crystal.
I'm just gonna take that out so we can look at it. I did this last year, you know.
Oh yeah, Sam.
Magic crystal.
It is tanks.
Tanks? Oh, there's the tanks.
Military satellites.
Look at the tanks. Okay, we're done with this. We're done with the tanks. What else did you need? Just looking,
A lot of stuff.
still looking.
There might be instead though.
Oh,
Alright. I want you to show the top of the stuff.
I can just
This
stick.
is like tall.
Oh, Sarah, get out of the way! Whoa.
Like as tall as me.
Whoa. Just whoa. Look at all these names.
Copperhead. Those are big copperhead.
Hey, look, red, white, and boom!
I'm gonna say this is kind of what
Oh.
we got last year.
Sort of, but
Sort of.
what is that giant red thing? Just,
Probably a mini fountain thing.
that's
Mini
not,
fountain,
that's not mini.
That's not.
That's not mini.
That's not mini.
Yeah.
Ow.
Sarah, look at these sparklers.
Light of lit. That's a sparkler?
Can we get like,
That's Mom.
Mom? Can we get like?
What's this?
Oh, there's a parachute.
Oh, red, white, and blue parachute. I like how the P is covered up. So it just looks like
Parachute.
no, it looks like rashute.
Parachute.
Rashute.
Pretty nice parachute.
So what are your thoughts going on right now? Just,
Alright, we're gonna go back.
that's
Next.
more stuff. Oh my. Did I look at quick? Right behind you, Sam. Gotta have some form of commentary.
I just said dang.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of stuff.
Okay, so we got one.
There's a lock and load.
Someone's locking and loading.
Alright,
No, it's
so
Oh, hold on.
load. It's in the legal. It's almost
one Falcon Rising 25 shot.
Nice.
And then
Mind if I just... Oh, this is kind of heavy.
we got a Phantasm 2.
Falcon shots. Wait, what does that say?
what?
Crackling Dragon Tail to multicolor... Oh, okay.
So we got a Phantasm 2.
Phantasm 2. Did you get this last year?
I do not.
Shoots flaming balls. Wow. But
Alright,
no, that specifically shoots flaming balls.
alright, then we got a Pyro Pixie Dust.
You're getting a Pyro Pixie Dust?
Yeah. I'll get one that's the bottom.
You should always go for the ones in the back. Those are probably the best quality.
One back more.
While you're getting that out, look at this 19-shot platinum Pyro Fusion.
Do you know what lock and load is?
No, I have no idea what the lock and load is. I feel like it's
Almost illegal.
almost.
We got the last
Can I see it? Wow, look how shiny the top is. That means it's good.
one. Alright, Magic Crystal. I don't know what that looks like.
We can find it.
Oh wait, we already got Magic Crystals. They're right there.
Oh yeah.
You
I'm
don't
stupid.
know what that looks like.
What's
It's
that?
in a Chase. We need to find that.
So yeah, Chase. We gotta find Chase, Sam.
Alright, Bobly Bobo.
We gotta go find Bobbly Bobo. You hear that, Chase? Sam's gonna find you.
Dang, look at those 500-gram shots. A single.
I'm just looking at everything. Sorry. Oh my! Look.
That's what I got last year.
Yeah.
That's a good one. That lasts a long time.
Just looking at a list. I'm gonna look at.
This looks good. This is good. This lasts really long.
Yes, it does.
Firecracker Fountain, Sarah. Give them Firecracker Fountain.
What?
Firecracker fountain. Hold on. Hold this. Sorry. We gotta go for the back ones. Always go for the ones in the back. What'd you say?
Attitude adjustment.
Attitude adjustment.
John Cena. Alright. Did you put the... Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I need to find the 90 crackling assault.
Not to be rude, but this looks still very low.
I know.
Just of stuff.
Oh, here it is. Dang, that's small.
Oh, and it just ripped open.
I didn't do that. Definitely not me.
You didn't do that at all.
What are you talking about? I didn't do nothing.
What?
Crackling is-
Who are you? What the heck is this thing? Phantom Night Owl. I wonder who Night Owl is. I guess we'll never know. Houdini. No, I don't think she would. Holy Jesus. Can, what is it called?
Silver Sonic Warhead.
Nice, nice, very good. I'm just gonna look at it a bit better, but more in depth. It's got 12 shots. Shoots flaming balls. Okay, what's next on the list?
Colortopia.
Colortopia?
Right here. I'll get one.
You'll get it.
I'll get one.
By the power of fireworks, what?
Colortopia.
Wow, this is heavy.
Alright, we're gonna get
25 shots. Shoots flaming balls
Said that
with report.
said that really loud.
I don't care.
one red, white, and boom.
Oh yeah, we got the red, white, and boom.
Emerald City.
You got a red, white, and boom in Emerald City last year, right? So I don't. I don't. If you guys watched his last video, I don't have to show it off again because it was on there already. Yeah. Yeah. Give this guy a like. Maybe a subscribe.
Just because fireworks.
Yeah, because fireworks. Barbarian blast.
I don't know, now that I think of that, maybe, do you think we should do a buy one get one free? Instead of 50% off?
I think
Get more stuff.
the 50% off is cheaper though.
Yeah, but we get more stuff and buy one get one free.
Can you afford the buy one get one free?
Yeah.
Really?
Maybe.
Do what you want.
What should I do?
I'm gonna go look around while you decide this. Oh, it's so colorful.
I know, it's kind of
Bold colors.
It feels weird. Look at this.
Feels. Oh my god.
Dude.
What? I'm coming.
Core. That's
Molten core.
the
Shoot. Flaming balls. Wizards of Oz. New Yorker salute finale.
Alright, so, I think I'm gonna do the buy one get one free for everything.
You're gonna do the buy one get one free?
Yeah, so,
So
we should add this up, so,
we gotta get 2 of everything again.
yeah, so, Whistling Busters, $29.99.
We're doing some math. Shoot and scoot. Gonna cold. Gonna gold. Thunder Mountain. 33 shots.
high performance display. New World Order.
That's kind of messed up.
Yeah.
That must be a big one.
This is huge.
You know what? We never like went over here. Like, what's over
Well, I
here?
couldn't lock it up.
Seaside, Cataclysm. A lot of stuff. Woo. Copperheads. Festival Balls Mortar Kit. Artillery shells. A bunch of them. Booster Buster. Okay, let's go find Sam again. Oh, hey, another copperhead.
Lock and load's over here.
It's over here? That is this. Continuum. Lock.
It's like pretty heavy.
Lock and load. Hold on.
This is barely legal.
Here, you hold that. I'll hold the lock and load up. Wow, this is incredibly heavy. Look at that. Barely
legal.
Is this a gun?
No.
Or is it just the casings?
This is the case.
That's really heavy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. It's upside down too.
Komodo 3000.
Okay, I think we've given Sam enough time to do math, so. Copperhead. More copperheads. Core reactor. I don't know. I'm still looking at stuff because there's so much stuff. What? Long burning multi effect.
Because it's like a barrel.
Yeah, too many effects. Oh, there's Sam. Oh, he's still doing math, I think. Phantom Crown Jewel. Fantasia. Ha ha ha. Funny. Emit showers of sparks.
Showers of spark.
Or jump on.
Is that like a
Did you do your math?
Another decision.
You made another decision.
I'm sort of making another decision.
What's your decision?
Maybe going back with 50% and getting an assortment.
Just freaking falls over and gives up.
Whoa, those are the type of.
So you're gonna get the assortment? Or one? I'm looking at your head. You shake your head back and forth.
I might get the grand finale assortment.
The
Or
grand?
should I get the tube assortment?
Didn't you get Uncle Sam last year?
Yeah, that comes with like almost everything.
Well,
So with the tube assortment, I got big tubes, and then I can just get cakes. That'd be like $90 right there, 50% off. Or I can get the grand finale assortment, but those don't have all the cakes that I want.
I'd say get the tube finale and then try to put the rest in cakes.
All right, good idea. Okay, so we gotta put some of this back.
What do you want to put back?
Anyway,
Well, what-
okay, let's just do the math real quick.
Doing more math, guys.
Okay, so
This is more complicated. You should have like studied
I can study for like a week.
But
like a month.
he forgot to carry the one.
So what?
He forgot to carry the one.
Okay, so I want to get Whistling Buster. No, I don't want to get Whistling Buster because I'm getting the tube assortment. So,
Watch Sam as he does math. Sam doing math.
so
The concentration is uncanny. Hey Sam, what would I tell you? What if I told you I wasn't recording? Nah, yeah, don't worry. You want giant freaking sparklers?
They're so awesome.
They're freaking huge.
Uh-huh.
I don't know, you're gonna have to ask someone. Uh, 120-second wheel. Oh, that looks nice.
What's that?
oh, here they are.
What?
I was looking for these all the time.
What is that?
Military satellites.
Oh, those are cool.
I had those last year. All right, so
What are you taking back?
So are you doing the 50% off or the
50% off. So
He's gonna get
take
the
back
tube
the
assortment.
Emerald. No, not the Emerald City. Take back one of.
One of these?
Yeah.
That's okay.
Start right here.
Just park right there. Where is it? Oop. Watch out, get out of the way.
Oh, that's one of my ones.
You want to get it fresh? Want to get it fresh?
Yeah.
So Sam, what are your thoughts on right now?
Oh, they changed the design.
They did.
Whoa, it's like a new packaging for the Uncle Sam.
There it is.
Finale.
That's pretty big.
It's called a circle.
We're going in a circle.
Actually, while we're over here,
Get something else. You want some help there, Sam?
yeah, Sarah, grab that.
Sarah, can you grab that? Oops, sorry. You have that alright? That's a big finale. You just ran into that. You alright? Alright, pick up.
What
Huh.
I can do is I can get a 2 finale and a grand finale.
Do you want to do that?
And then I can get a couple extra things.
Are you sure? Is that what you want? Okay, then are we gonna have to put everything back?
Not everything.
Except for like this and this.
Okay,
This becomes 90. Yeah.
okay, so
So put another.
actually,
Do you want that?
so 180. So we got 180 right here.
These tubes are amazing.
These are huge.
That's blurry.
Does it shoot flaming balls?
No, it does not.
Wow.
I figured all of them would, but it doesn't say it. What assortment you getting? Uncle Abe's? Uncle Abe's assortment.
Yeah, this is pretty nice.
Uncle Abe?
Apparently, Abraham Lincoln was an uncle.
So 200.
Are you sorry, I accidentally clicked the button. I turned it off for a second. Sorry.
Alright, so. Okay, so.
Are we gonna have to put an Emerald? No.
Put these two back.
Yeah, put the Emerald City and the Phantasm 2.
Okay, and this. And
Yes,
this.
there.
And
Oh. Okay, I can take that. Thank you. Excuse me. Going to put some fireworks back. That's Emerald City, yeah. Okay. Now where was this? Oh, right here. Yeah, that works. Gotta get back. Gotta get back. You good?
yeah, alright.
Are you good?
Yeah, we're getting 2 assortments. This, that, and this.
What's that other thing?
The magic crystals.
Ah, I see.
Okay, I think we're good.
You're satisfied with all this?
Well, I ready.
Oops, sorry.
So you get this for free?
My God. Huh. Firecrackers instead of what?
This. There, can you put this?
You have a bunch of firecrackers.
No, I don't. I like have a brick. That's it. Or half brick.
That's it? Wow. That's actually not a lot. The flaming bars! Flaming bar! Oh.
Wow. It's grenades.
Grenades?